Everyone, today I have the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro drone here for review. Now there is a backstory about this drone. Now I've been waiting for this drone for the longest, since June, because it wasn't out yet. It was on a pre-order and I finally received it a couple days ago. We're in September now, and I'm just receiving it. Now this drone is a highly anticipated drone to compete with DJI. If you saw my other drone review about the DJI, you can check that out on my channel. But yeah, this drone I've been waiting for a long time. There was delays after delays. There was chip shortage, and I've been back and forth with the company trying to find out when, and you know, it was just like a headache. But today I finally got it in, and I am gonna open this box and show you what kind of content is in the box and what do you get. I'm also gonna do test flights. Now this drone has the same features as the DJI plus more. It has the waypoint. It has point of interest. It also have orbiting, and you also have obstacle avoidance, which we're gonna test in our next video. This is just an open box video to show you what kind of content you get. All right, so let's open up this box without further ado and see what we have inside. Again, my trusty knife. Kind of a little dull now since I've been using it for like everything, but finally got my drone in. It's well packaged, which is perfect. It's well insulated, which I love that. I love that they package it real good, so protected from damages. Alright, let's put this box that way. Okay, so here we have the drone. Just a little further, just cut out these plastic. This is the box outline of the drone itself. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the case that it comes in, which is a nice little carrying case. You know, you got the shoulder strap, you have the tag, which I'm gonna take off, I don't need that. So let's open it up. Oh, sorry. Okay, first thing you see, you have the drone right here. We're gonna take a look at it in a minute. We have the battery charger, the adapter. What else? The cables, screwdriver, another cable, some extra joysticks, and user manual, see what's down here. And the remote. And up top, you get some extra blades with screws, okay? See what else is there. And that's it. So these are all the stuff that you get with the drone when you purchase it. Like I said, this option that I have is the double battery option. Okay, so let's take a look at the controller. So this is the controller that you get with the Hubsan mini drone. Okay, this is the antenna here. All right, you have the gimbal button here, and you have another button here which takes pictures. Then you have the other button to the right side, which is a recording button, and then you have the FN button. Okay, and then underneath, this is where you put your phone. It also comes with the joystick on the bottom where it holds your joystick. You just pop them out like this and attach them to the controller like so. Let's take both of them out, connect them up, right? And this extends to different size phone, okay? As you can see right there. Then you have the power button, the FNS button, and the return home button. So this is what you also have the connector from the drone to your phone. So this is what the controller look like. It's not big, like very big or bulky. You know, it has a nice feel to it. You know, it's got a nice feel to it. All right, so this is the controller. That's the back. This is the sides. Okay, bottom, top. Okay, and this is your charging block. Now the charging block is very standard. It's nothing special. You have the power adapter here. You have you could connect 4 batteries to this charging block. Okay, and the way this charge, you just have your battery here. This is the battery itself. This is supposed to be a smart battery, meaning it might have some kind of circuitry inside of the head itself, you know, to make it smart. So the way that it charges up is you just slip it on there like so, and you know, you sit it on the table somewhere, and you connect you can either connect the power cord. Well, it doesn't come with the adapter for this option. It only comes with the adapters to plug in here. But if you do have some kind of adapter that you can fit there, you can use that to charge it from here too. But it comes with this cable and the charging block to charge up the battery. Okay, and then we have the drone itself. Okay, so let me open up the wings. This is the top, sides. Okay, you see that it shows that it's 249 grams. I'm gonna open up the wings so you can see it better. This is the front. This is the front obstacle avoidance. This is the back obstacle avoidance camera. And this is the bottom obstacle avoidance camera. This is the altitude sensors, all right? And this is the floodlight that's on the bottom, okay? Let's open it up. Okay, let's open up the second wing. Another wing. And this is the size of the drone itself, okay? Again, this is the front. Now, let me take off the gimbal. So the way you take off the gimbal is very delicate, okay? So there is a clip that's down here, which you squeeze and lift off. And that's how you take off the gimbal, okay? This is the 1.3 inch, 1.3 inch lens. And it's 48 megapixel camera. Let me see if you could see that. Okay, as you can see, it's 48 megapixel. Okay, and again, so this is the cover that covers the lens on the bottom. When you're flying the drone, you have to take this off. Okay, I don't know if you can fly it with it. You can ask in the comment later when I do test it out, but it's recommend that you take this off when you're flying the drone. Okay, so let's take a look at the back of the drone. All right, so you have the cable where you connect, you know, if you want to connect it to the computer or to the phone to update it or whatever. So this is the back of the drone. This is the bottom of the drone. Okay, this is the sides again. This is where you have the 249 grams weight. And this is the front of the drone with the gimbal. This is the other side of the drone. And that's the top. Okay, so let me see if I can weigh this drone. Again, take out the battery. That's the inside of the drone. If I didn't show it to you guys, take the battery off, put the drone down, and it's 146 grams. Okay, now I'm gonna take it, put the battery in, weigh it again, and we get 250 grams right on the head. Okay, so yeah, they did advertise this drone to be under 250 grams, even though it says 249. But it could be because the battery is charged, and you know, sometime when you charge a battery, the battery weighs a little bit more. So yes, it is a 250 gram drone, so you basically don't have the same restriction as a drone that weighs more than 250 grams. All right, and if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna do another video showing the weight, the flight of the drone. I'm gonna try to also test the obstacle avoidance. I know a lot of people was waiting for that. I'm gonna also test, you know, the other features that they advertise. And again, this drone is like on the same level as the DJI Mini. But we're gonna do our own performance test and see how it lives up to the hype. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next.